Welcome! My name is Dan Vega, and I'll be your instructor for this course. In this course, you're going to learn how to set up a local development environment for creating Java applications. Alright, let's talk about who should take this course. If you're brand new to the Java programming language, this course is for you. We aren't going to go deep into teaching you how to write Java programs. We're going to talk through setting up your local development environment and then teaching you a few concepts that might help you out in your journey. We're also going to discuss different tools, languages, and frameworks that you might hear as you start to enter the Java world. So what should you expect to get out of this course? Well, first off, you're going to be able to set up your own development environment for writing Java applications. We will actually show you how to create a new Java application from the command line. You'll write a Hello World application, you'll compile it, and then you'll run it. Later in the course, we'll write that same application in an IDE and show you how to use one of my favorite IDEs, IntelliJ. We'll also discuss some different languages and some different frameworks and tools that are going to make you a productive Java developer. So, I just got my brand new MacBook here, and I thought this was a perfect time to go ahead and show you how I set up my local development environment. Now, if you're on Windows, don't worry about it. Most of everything that we're going to do here can be done on a Windows machine as well. And if it can't, I'll kind of point that out during the lesson. I'm really excited about this course, and I'm very thankful that you are taking this journey with me. So I hope you get a lot out of it, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. What are we waiting for? Let's jump on in.